Today we are going to program remote start remotes for 2007 to 2010 Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX. Underneath the dash there's two 10mm bolts that need to be removed. After the bolts are removed, the rest of it's just held in by clips, and it should pop. You should be able to pop them off. Disconnect this wire harness by pushing there and pulling. You can probably leave the hose detached. But next we're going to be looking for this button, which is right here next to the main harness, which is the remote start override button. There's also a LED that I'll be looking for, and I will show you when I find it. I disconnected this hose by pulling it off and removed the wire so it would be completely open. Make sure we close the doors and the hood is closed. Hold the brake pedal. Insert your key into the run position. Make sure your blinkers aren't on. And then you press and hold the remote start button override until it honks 10 times or 5 times. Mine honked 3. Then you take your remote. I have the 2 ways. You press this button here, press the button on the next one, press the button on any other ones you got up until 8. Then release the brake and shut the car off. Now let's test. And I did something wrong. Maybe the key. Let's try without a key. Press the brake to shut it off. Try the next remote. Oh, I gotta open the door. Press to try the next remote. Oh, looks like the battery might be dead in that one. Second remote works. Brake to shut it off. Open the door. Close it to reset the system. Now let's see if I can get this third one to work. All 3 remotes now work. In the description below, I've linked a document which tells you how to reset other settings, like the amount of time, if it honks or not, and how long it tries to start for. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.